comes. Driving in Big John. Last Yamaha man on the team. He's pointing at me. His window's so dark. He's a criminal, that's why his window's so dark. Gosh, freaking.
I had to deal with my dog. I didn't think it was going to be a big deal. It turned out to be a big deal.
But
You had to deal with Jay. He's about like a dog. He pees on the floor.
I said, come back here, son.
The best thing I've seen to help him is rub his nose in it.
Go in there. This is some film right here.
Stupid shit. Look at this. What are we doing? That damn pen's gonna fall in your damn tank. We're gonna start calling this white trash moto.
Oh, damn.
Look, I'm trying to tell him what's gonna work.
where we at, Daddy?
Where we at?
Yeah.
Durhamtown. Raining like hell. Just a question of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it don't matter.
Hopefully it don't.
Alright.
What are you looking at, Steven? Let me see.
Old school looking. You know I had the perfect size head, right?
Perfect
Use up
size.
every button, see? Every button. Perfect head. I'm buying this hat.
Alright.
It's my hat. Totally my hat.
You gonna buy the bag?
I think so.
Can't go
Totally my
right.
hat now.
What hat's that? What kind of hat's that? Right here?
I need some new riding gear too, what I need.
Yeah, I do too.
You just gotta buy that jersey again.
Maybe.
Cause I think you can get it for about $100.
That's hurtful.
I know.
Yeah.
Daggum, the pants are like $200.
Look,
Look.
$45.
Oh, that's one.
Hey, that's the one you're gonna get.
$125.
Swimmers too.
Alright.
So I'll get you. That's probably what you need.
No, this is what you can get me. Like one of these. You can give me this. Small.
Oh, you need one of those helmets.
That's what model got. Got looks like that.
Alright. Kind of like this Thor stuff. On pink or green maybe.
Hey, I got a pair of gear you can use.
No.
Your old gear.
No. Alright, so we're just gonna get this hat.
Just a hat.
Steve's gonna get a sack.
He is.
You gonna get your sack?
Sack and a hat.
Bam.
I like that hat out there.
Sorry to get that one too. But
There's a camouflage one out there.
who you hiding from? Trying to hide from somebody? Is that why you want camouflage?
The government.
Nobody be able to see it. Little sag tool. You know how to zero it out? We're out here fishing to get wet. There you go. This rain got to stop. You need some help, don't you? I feel like you do. Old man on a dirt bike, take one. But y'all don't know nothing about this right here, do you? wisdom from Steve-O. If you can get old doofus to listen. It's hard to get him to listen.
It's hard to get to listen. But when he listens, oh, he shines like a damn pretty thing.
Is that right?
Yeah.
He gets real nervous when the camera comes on too.
Yeah.
Okay, he smiles, he's all red. He acts like there's a bunch of girls looking at him naked. They say, "Eee."
Make a comment. It's so cool. It's on YouTube.
We can edit it out. Probably won't. But we can.
Oh, we will.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I have control of this. Don't go out there and do that stupid.
Everything's stupid.
Play it safe, you'll slowly get faster without getting hurt. Don't do like us.
Yeah.
We just went for it. We used to just go for it. But you know, I mean, we're built different.
Yeah, we're millennials.
No, I'm not no millennial.
We're Gen Z.
Gen X, you fool. Hey, that's what happens when you smoke a lot of weed when you're younger. Gen X, you
They
see?
change it every year. You can't trust nothing.
Golly. Where were the kids that were hard to get kidnapped?
Oh, yeah.
I said, hey, we got a puppy in this car. We start bashing our car with rocks and steal a puppy. Sometimes those are legitimately trying to give us a puppy.
Yeah, I had a old rope in the front yard on a tree, and I'd swing out to that rope and I'd fall in front of the cars when I come by, and I like I died in the road. None of them stopped to pick me up and try to steal me. That's a true story.
He was ugly.
I had to stop. All right.
It's like, look, honey, a monkey. What?